We are happy to be part of this exhibition and growing together with this exhibition.
Cut to size different kind of components.
And this is why we have these foils. The sliding wardrobe is both sides of course.
INDIAWOOD is one of the flag bearer of the industry, making all platform, all partners, component makers, machine makers together on this platform. We have been part of INDIAWOOD's last 23-24 years.
From France to INDIAWOOD.
From the US to INDIAWOOD.
From Germany to INDIAWOOD. From Latvia to INDIAWOOD.
From Italy to INDIAWOOD.